Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll explore how to transform characters in a string using JavaScript. Each lowercase letter will be replaced with its opposite counterpart in the alphabet. For example, A becomes Z, B becomes Y, and so on. This is a fun exercise that combines string manipulation with character encoding. Let's dive in. The goal is to transform each lowercase letter into its opposite counterpart in the alphabet. For example, the letter A will be replaced with Z, B with Y, and so on. This can be achieved using character encoding and some simple arithmetic operations. The function changeChar uses character codes to map each letter to its opposite counterpart. It calculates the position of the character in the alphabet relative to A. Using this position, it determines the opposite character by subtracting the position from 25, which is the last position in the alphabet. Finally, the function combines the transformed characters into a string and returns the result. The program processes the string in 5 steps. First, it loops through each character. Second, it calculates the character's position in the alphabet. Third, it determines the opposite character. Fourth, it stores the transformed character in an array. Finally, it combines the array into a single string to produce the result. Let's break down 2 examples. In the first example, the input string abcxyz is transformed into zyxcba by replacing each letter with its opposite. Similarly, for Python, each character is replaced, resulting in kbgslm. This process illustrates how the program works step by step. The ES6 version uses modern JavaScript features like map and other functions to make the code more concise and readable. The logic remains the same, but is expressed more cleanly, making it easier to understand and maintain. In summary, this program efficiently transformed each character in a string by calculating its opposite in the alphabet. It is a practical example of string manipulation using character encoding and simple arithmetic operations. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.